Good day to everyone. Today I would like to share how to fix Wi-Fi not working on Windows 11. Let me show you how to do that. Before that, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to know about more videos. Yes, from your laptop you can connect all the details, but you are not able to connect to your Wi-Fi, so your Wi-Fi is not working properly. Means what you have to do here. So I have the 4 types of troubleshoot your problems, and first one, just go to start menu and just go to settings options. Once you go to settings option, there will be a systems. So on the system, just scroll down, you will get option called troubleshoot. Once you select the troubleshoot options, there will be a recommended troubleshoot history, and other troubleshooter will be there. So just select other troubleshooter. Once you select other troubleshooter, the first and foremost is an internet connection. So here internet connection, there will be a run option. Just hit the button in the run option, automatically the problem will be detecting in your laptop or system. So troubleshoot my connection to the internet or help connect with a specific page will be there. Troubleshoot with a connection of internet, so you need to connect with that. So automatically web connectivity will be happen, and it will connect your entire thing. It will detect the problem, it will collect the result and give the feedback. So you need to run the internet connection. Just to scroll down, you will get option called incoming connection and network adapter. So just choose for the incoming connection, find and fix the problem of incoming computer connection, that is firewall connection. So you want to have it may be a block to your systems. So just choose an incoming connection and choose a remote desktop or something else, and just click a next option. So you can give a exe file. Any other problems has happened means you can give, otherwise just close this option and just choose a network adapters, because your internet will be connect through the network adapters. Just run the network adapters, it will detect your problems, where your problems, for example Wi-Fi, Ethernet, everything will be come under the network adapter. So just choose all network adapters, just click the next option. Automatically it will detect your problems, and any other problems or troubleshooters happen, your system will be checked and it will clear your entire problems. So check and get back to that. And I am having the system problem, I am reaching the specific website to give the folder you can give, otherwise you can scan and give the problems and allow all the computers to connect this computer. Just give and click next options to browse, and give the next option to give your run your troubleshoot option. So once you run your troubleshoot option, it will detect your problem. The next step, just go to start menu and just go to control panel. Once you go to control panel, choose network and settings. Once you select this control panel, just go to large icons. Once you select the large icon option, on top you will find a search box. Just type network. Once you say search network option, so network connection will be there, network sharing and center. Once you select the network sharing and center, there will be a change adapter settings will be there. Just select this change adapter setting. So this is your Ethernet, Bluetooth, local area, VMware and Wi-Fi. So just select the Wi-Fi option. You will have your detailed Wi-Fi options will be there. Just click the details. So once you click the details, your Wi-Fi should be a healthy one. So if it is not mean, just disable your Wi-Fi again. So once you disable the Wi-Fi, you don't get an internet connection. Again, enable this Wi-Fi. Automatically it will refresh your entire thing and it will connect to your internet as soon as possible. So my internet is connected through my local area as well as the Wi-Fi connection. So just go to properties options. Once you go to properties in Wi-Fi, just go to configuration. Once you select the configuration, select power management. Once you select the power management, just remove the tick allow computer turn on this device safe power mode and click OK. Means your network will be connected every time with Wi-Fi. So without any other delay, you can connect your internet connection. The last and foremost steps in, just right click on your start menu, just go to device manager. Once you select the device manager, you will have the entire devices will be there in your system. So just choose network adapter. Once you select the network adapter, there will be a drivers will be there. So on your side you will have your Intel dual band Wi-Fi, that is wireless connection, will be there. Just right click on that and update the drive. Once you select the update the drive, search automatically drive. Once you search automatically device, this best device you already installed. If it is not, automatically it will install in your laptop and it will connect to your internet within a second. So these the 4 steps is the most important steps to run your troubleshoot and reset your internet connection, as well as update your drivers. Means your internet will be connected through your laptop or desktop and you can easily browse and have access with the internet. If you like these tips, please share with your friends and subscribe my Havex channel. Thanks for watching, dear friends. Have a great and good day.